kindergarten parents. Today I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial of a new resource that we got through the district. This is called Kids A to Z. And so this is a vocabulary building website that will be really helpful for our sight words, our spelling words, and even writing. So this is what our dashboard looks like. And so I'm just at the website kidsatoz.com and we're at our login page. So to get here, you'll just want to make sure you're under my name, C. Breslin 1. So as you can see, I put all of the students in already, and I actually made a sample student to show you guys how it works. So if they click in, this is what they're going to see. I'll have them type a password. And our passwords are all the same. Just to make it simple, I made it 1, 2, 3. So then you hit go. And then when they first log in, they're going to see a little planet that says vocabulary. And then this is the fun part that they're really going to enjoy. There is something below, if you scroll down a little bit, called a star zone. There you can also see their stats and any received messages. And I can send them some messages saying good job. They've been practicing. Lots of cool features. But I want to show you guys the star zone because this is going to be what gets them to really want to play. So as you can see, they have some stars up here. When they first start, they're going to be given 500 stars to start. So they can actually earn them when they're playing games, and then they can spend them on either an avatar builder, or if they also want to do this, they get their own little rocket to decorate. So I want to show you guys that one because it's pretty fun. So they're going to give you a cute little video of their rocket in action. And then it's going to land. I'm going to skip that though. And this is the room that they get to decorate. So I bought a little robot so I can show you guys how this works. But you can also explore the catalog. They can click on their little star and they can buy anything they like with equipment, planets, robots. So this is good practice for them with their math too. So if they wanted to buy this telescope, they have enough stars for that. So all they do is hit the green button if they'd like to buy it, and it would pop up in the room just like this robot did. So that's the star zone. The avatar is basically the same thing, just with clothes and hair, fun things like that. So that's what motivates them. But this is the core content and what makes all of us happy and helps build up their words. So they're going to click on their vocabulary, and here's the dashboard where all of the assignments are going to be. So I've already added the words for the week. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and we are going to do spelling because the phonics one is really good, but it's not really relevant to what we want to practice this week. But it is really great. It helps them like count words in a sentence, helps practice the sounds. So that's really great too, but we're going to focus on the spelling today. All right, so when they get in, the first thing that they're going to see are the words of the week, and they can click on these little audio. Got. And they can hear the word. So great practice there, but these are what's going to be really fun for them. So as you can see, there's tons of games here for them to practice. And this is the first one. As you can see, these ones are grayed out just because they haven't been unlocked yet. So we're going to start with this one, a practice spelling test. And so this one is going to, once we press go, it's going to give us a word and a sentence, and then we're going to have to type it in. So let's try it out.
Tin. A tin can in which canned food is sold is often actually made of steel coated with tin.
All right, so as you can see, it gave us the sentence and the word, and if I missed it, I can easily click on one of these.
Tin.
So the word was tin, so I'm going to try to sound out tin, type it in, and if I hit next, it'll take me to the next word, and these dots up here, they indicate how many words I have left. If they ever get stuck, they can click on this little question mark for help too. So I obviously, if I were to do the whole game, then it would give me my stars, but I'm going to hit back to my assignment just so I can get back to the dashboard for you guys. But that's a little introduction on it. I hope they have fun. I hope they get to decorate their little rocket and their avatar, and I hope they have, most importantly, a lot of practice for their spelling. Let me know if you have any questions. I am always here to help.